Hello, hello. This is the Artifact episode number 2718. Today's date is the 25 April 2023. It's almost like 7:22 p.m. 7:30 बजले हैं. So usually at this moment, at this time, usually I was running or I was doing cycling or things like that. But today I didn't really did that anything. Today I am at my home and I am recording this audio episode. Why I didn't really went to work out is that like I don't know, just from couple of days I feel so hungry. I don't know, yeah, just like yeah, I feel so hungry. Just like I just wanted to eat more. Like usually I eat a usual thing that I eat every day. All right, like a teen puri, bhat, bhaji, varan. That's it. All right, but I don't know while like basically is that after I upload my video, okay, and it's almost like till 5:30, I decided to go to workout. But my sister, she says that ki will you make Maggie? and uh, and I always like I'm little bit of starving. Okay, so I just feel like that कि हाँ चलो मैगी बना लेते, मैगी खा लेते, then we will do workout. Alright, so then I make a Maggie. Okay, and while eating a Maggie, like till 6:15, Vaibhav called me and we just talk about the career and things and what is a fucked up life and everything, just everything. All right. So um, after this conversation, I just be hal chal. Okay, like basically now, like I don't really call anyone at all. Why? uh, because of that because of this artifact episode, that's it. Yeah, like basically is that whatever the thing that I wanted to talk, it just I can easily talk to the artifact episode. Fine, khatam, vishay khatam, that's it. All right, but uh, since other people don't really have that privilege, okay, so they will talk to the other person and I don't know. Yeah, like basically lately some people says that कि क्या कर रहा है, I'm just doing YouTube. Okay, and how many subscriber you have? I say 44 subscriber I have. Okay, so it hurt me little bit. Whatever. So let's just what is really happened today. Okay, today I wake up at morning. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Last night I masturbate. Okay, and it's a usual like twice in a week. After 4 day I masturbate, so it's good. But still I wanted to extend even further till 7 days. I wanted to do that, but I'm not regret. Okay, I'm not feeling very regretful that I did it. No, I did it. Khatam. Then today I wake up, I do my breakfast and things like that. And first of all, I have to today there is a thing that I wanted to do is that I just have to record the cutscene. Okay, yesterday I record a gameplay of God of War. Okay, and there are two cutscenes. So like it took almost like a night. Okay, to record everything, gameplay and everything. So I decided that I will record my cutscene tomorrow morning. Okay, that means today. So I wake up and but I wanted to record the cutscene, but I didn't really record. I just decided that let's just upload. Like I'm actually creating YouTube shorts now. Okay, so I decided that let's upload those YouTube shorts in Instagram too. Why? uh, because of that na ki right now I'm just gain little bit of develop. Like basically is that ki before I was actually speed up the every video. Okay, and but today like today means like from last month I decided that I just have to record my video with a normal voice. So in the normal voice na there you found some sort of mistakes. Okay, and then you fix that mistakes. so your content is little bit of improved. So uh, I am actually putting subtitles on my YouTube shorts. All right, as also is that key. I am not. I'm just not putting the entire episode. No, I'm just putting the best part of the gameplay. Okay, write the subtitles. Then I upload those on YouTube Shorts. All right. So I decided that why don't I upload, like like I have to upload those YouTube Shorts on Instagram too. So Instagram Reel. So today I created a new Instagram channel. It's not Instagram handle, okay, Instagram account, and I upload 10 shorts, 10 YouTube reels, YouTube reels, Instagram reels, YouTube shorts. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, both are the same. Okay, just vertical video khatam. Alright, so I upload those vertical video, and I haven't get any engagement. Let me see. Okay, okay. After a while, I upload. Sorry, I installed this Instagram app. Okay, I can't uninstall this Instagram app. Why? Because of that, key. Wait, let me switch the account. Okay, yeah. So I can't. Oh, there is one following. Let me see how many views I get. Zero 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 zero. Obviously zero view, but still I got one following. I don't know who's that person. Let me see. Oh, Dave. Ah, what the fuck? Devjan fan. Like basically, Devin Fangam athlete. What the fuck? Like basically, this is the guy. Like I like the gymnastic people now. So it just Instagram suggests me this guy. Name is Devin Fejin. Devin Fejin, athlete, gymnastic. Then Ethiopia pre-code, professional skier, YouTube, whatever it is. He's just literally content creator. Right now, he has a 2,68,000 followers, which is good, and 929 is following. All right. So usually this guy is kind of like something really professional. Okay, like basically is that now he like if you follow some sort of person on Instagram, that person is like basically is that Amir Khan. Okay, so can you expect follow back from the Amir Khan? No, na. You didn't really expect that too much. This is the same thing happened with me. Okay, instead of Amir Khan, his name is a Devan Fejan. All right, yeah. But yeah, his profile is really good. He's a gymnastic and he has a really good body shapes and his cuts and everything looks really great. But yeah, he follow me back. Okay, and he's the first person who is followed me. So yeah, whatever. So there is nothing, any views, nothing at all. Okay, it took time. Just today, I just upload a some bunch of shots. So I will not expect. But it's just like what the fuck happened with this YouTube Shorts, dude. Like I was yesterday, I upload shorts, I get only 3 views. Today, just zero. Day before that, I got 86, 87 views, and day before that, I got 200 and 500 views. But sometimes it just didn't really work that well. And when it happened, I just feel little bit of stress. Okay, whatever. But I like basically when you be as a content creator now, uh, you have to go through that process. Okay, so okay, let's make this artifact episode something really interesting. All right, I just talk something really boring. Let's make this artifact something really interesting. Okay, so what do you talk about? What do you talk to Vaibhav? It's just like that, na. Ki, first of all, it's just casual thing. Like, kya ho raha hai? Like first thing I decided that ki maybe he just talk he called me for a reason, called me for some sort of thing. So I called him back, but he just wanted to talk something really casual. So we just start something casual, कैसा है, क्या है, वगैरह वगैरह. And then he says that he got a job, okay, and that job, he signed the bond. What is a bond? Bond is like that. He like is there are multiple meaning of bonds. Okay, there are paper bonds, money currency bond. Okay, and there is a employee bond. Okay, so I'm talking about employee bond. Okay, I didn't really know about the currency bond, and I didn't really know about paper bond. Okay, so those are the something really different. Okay, so let's talk about employee bond. What is exactly the employee bond? So it's just like that na, ki when usually is that ki this is the security for the company, that ki the employee of that company will not run away for particular period of time. Okay, yeah, particular period of time, and then he will leave, or that employee will leave. So basically that paper, it's a kind of like a bond, it's a kind of like a something really that something bond that you sign, that I will work in your company for a particular period of time, and I will acceptance of that, and if I leave your company for any reason, I will pay this amount of money to the company. So I break the bond. So basically is that signing a bond is a kind of like a something really uh, something really risky. Okay, because of that like mostly companies actually use for almost like a 2-3 years of bond. Okay, 2-3 years is a, and as also having a bond means like that you are stuck. Okay, yeah, you just stuck, you just can't go anywhere, you are stuck with that company, and that's it, you just have to do it, right? So that is called employee bond. So Vaibhav says that he signed the employee bond, and he just feel little bit of regretful. But I don't know why Vaibhav called me. Like basically is that I am the least person. Like no one is actually called me. Okay, and actually I also responsible for that. But I gave the vibe like that. I don't want to talk to that person. Not that anyone. Yeah, it's just like that na. Ki if you talk to the Prashik will talk, भाई कैसा है, क्या है, ये है वो, he talks so many things, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, वगैरह वगैरह. I don't know यार, like I can't talk shitty things, like not shitty things, but Prashik can talk multiple, like so many things. मेरे साथ ये हो गया, फिर मैंने ये केक बनाया था, फिर मैं केक लाते लाते फिर इसमें आइसिंग की, आइसिंग करते हुए वो केक पिघल गया, एवरीथिंग. I can't talk. Okay, so the Badal can talk as also. Vishal is talk. Vishal is actually changed the subject to the things that he like. Okay, he usually talk to me and says that कि भाई तूने ये फिल्म देखी क्या, वो फिल्म देखी क्या? I like the film, but it's just like I don't have time to watch the film. Okay, so uh, most of the time now the things that we are not interact with each other properly that much. All right. Uh, like, do you call? Nah, I didn't really call anyone. Yeah, no, I just didn't really call for the things that ki kaisa hai, kya hai, casual stuff is. Alright. I wanted to record artifact episode, dude, but it's just like that ki my mind is not telling me to record artifact episode. It's just like that ki I wanted to walk here. It's a very fresh weather. It's a very good. I just wanted to walk, but it's just like that. No, my body wants to me to do workout. Yeah, because it's workout. It's workout. It's a workout. And as also, I don't want to talk about the career. I don't want to talk. I just like I don't know. I just wanted to talk something really different, legit different. Okay, so what is the legit different that you wanted to? Wait. Okay, yeah. Also, one thing is that now, okay, I talk very fluently English right now. Like basically, almost like a year ago. Okay, I was very much. skepticals. Skepticals means like that कि little bit of terrified, little bit of scared of things to talk English. Okay, so I started recording in English, make RD5 episode in English. At the beginning, I was a bit fumble. Don't really know what should I talk. Just, but right now I'm just gaining it. Okay, like yeah. I don't know, but since you talk English ना, एक अलग ही कॉन्फिडेंस आता है dude. एक अलग ही कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि I don't know, like I can't describe the confidence, but yeah, it get little bit of confidence कि हाँ तेरे को like it's not just like basically you know what you try what I'm trying to tell you is that कि भाई तू you have an exam, you went to the center, okay, and there is a paper sheet, question paper sheet is in front of you. You read the question paper and you realize that the most of the questions are in that question paper are already that you know and you already practice. So it's just like that before you start writing answers, you just quickly know that कि हाँ चलो अभी मैं इसमें फाड़ देता है क्योंकि I know all those answers. So when you get that confidence ना, the entire scenario, the entire thing inside of you just became change. Yeah, you just confidently write things, numericals, things, that, khatam. So, what I'm trying to tell you, कि having a knowledge or having a pre-plan or having a things that you already knew, you will get that confidence. Okay, same thing goes with the language, same thing goes with the knowledge, same thing goes with the things that you do. ओके लाइक बेसिकली इज दैट कि मान लो आप स्विमर हो, आपको अच्छे से स्विमिंग करनी आती है, अंडरग्राउंड, वाटर ग्राउंड, अप ग्राउंड, वॉट ग्राउंड, आई डोंट नो, यू स्विम वेरी वेल. ओके, और वहाँ पे 10 लोग हैं जिनको स्विमिंग कतई नहीं आती है, हाँ इल्ले. सो इट जस्ट लाइक दैट ना कि तेरा अलग ही कॉन्फिडेंस है बेंच होता है. उनको स्विमिंग सीखना है, तुमको स्विमिंग आती है, यू हैव अ लाइक भाई मैं तेरे से बड़ा है बेंच होता है. मैं तेरे से बड़ा है बेंच होता है. तू कितना भी बड़ा है मेरे से बेंच हो, तू मेरे से छोटा है लौड़ू, तेरे को स्विमिंग नहीं आती, मेरे को आती है. सो यू बिल्ड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस इनसाइड ऑफ यू. सो या आई बिल्ड कॉन्फिडेंस कि मैं इंग्लिश में बात करता था ना. हाँ तो चलो ठीक है, अपुन में भी बेंचोत कॉन्फिडेंस है, अपुन इंग्लिश में बात करता है, बेंचोत क्या बोलेगा आई डोंट रियली केयर, बट आई कैन टॉक इंग्लिश. बुक में जाओ, बुक में जाओ, बुक का जा. सो या but still you didn't really get the any subject that you wanted to talk. I just okay. What do you do after this artifact episode? First of all, I will schedule my gameplay, God of War, then Miles Morales. All right. Miles Morales के बाद क्या करना है? Yeah, Miles Morales के बाद nothing at all. Yeah, I will watch any movies. हाँ, Ghosted. Let me download that movie. I wanted to watch. It's not available on YouTube. Like why would it available for YouTube? It's not available. It's a product from the Apple. So yeah, I will download later. Yeah, but I wanted to watch that movie Ghosted. It's really good love story, romantic, and little bit of action comedy. So yeah, I wanted to watch. And I just still little bit of scared of like basically na कि this YouTube things like that na. I have 44 subscribers and I have just things just I'm just scared of things. I don't know. I'm just trying to make it better. I'm just trying to I don't know. So this is the My Artifact episode number 2717-18. Right now we are at Vada, Maharashtra. Thank you.